here your screen thing now. Put up your screen. Just push it a little bit ahead, side wise. It will go.
Here, no, on red button.
Yeah.
Has it started or you want me to start it?
You did. It's fine. You be at your comfort zone. I have started the recording. We will do the editing later on. So as per your comfort zone, you can do retakes also.
Sure. So I'm starting it, okay?
Do one thing. So you had that first screen coming in when you opened up the telly. So close the telly.
I know. Like, I'll do it. No problem.
Okay, so you can start. I'm putting myself on mute so that my voice does not go like that. Okay?
Yeah. Got it. You're talking here. Today I'll give you a small demo on Tally ERP9. So first we'll start our software, Tally ERP9. On the desktop, on the screen, you can see Tally ERP9. While done on this, you can start our software. Friends, let me tell you Tally ERP9. ERP9 stands for, E stands for enterprise, R is resource, P is planning. So it is resource planning. So software where your entire business planning you can do. If it is management, if it is your salary payment management, if it is receipt management, your purchases, your sales, your processing, taxes related, the entire thing is for Tally ERP9. You can see screen here. Now you can see a single line between A, V, I, C. So you see single underline, any alphabet or functional key. You have all along with that key. So start this Tally and work in educational mode. I press Alt on my keyboard and W. Press Alt button on the keyboard and press W. As soon as you start your screen. This is my Tally screen. You can see here. This is already there. This is of Tally. It's called Tally ERP Gateway of Tally. Gateway of Tally. This main screen is divided into two parts. One Control N and one Control N. Press N on your keyboard. This is the calculator. Something 1 multiplied by 100. Press Enter. So when you access this part. When you want to use this Tally, I press Control M. Now you using arrow key from your keyboard. Again, I'm going in to use calculator. I'll press Control N. This is my calculator. Divide. I can press also to come on Tally. So instead of Tally, you can see A, I, V, or bold letters. The bold alphabet is shortcut key. To go down info, I press A. To go in, I press A. To go create a ledger, single ledger, I press C. So this using that shortcut alphabet, you can access that. Now this is my taskbar. On the start sheet from Gateway of Tally, we went to Account Info and Ledger creation. So they'll state you the current position of window. Come back again at Gateway of Tally on the main screen of Tally. Escape button on keyboard. Press Escape. Yes, press Y on your keyboard. Ledger. Press Escape. Accounts again to come back on Gateway Tally. Press Escape. So that's the main screen of Tally. Now let's Tally or we create a new company. we get default things from Tally N. That is, first we'll go in display, we'll go in up, we'll statement of accounts, and this trading company with 28 groups. One ledgers, 2 stock groups. Create you have 28 default only and 2 types. Now the company by pressing will come on gateway of Tally. The main screen of Tally. To create a company, right on this button with the button panel, we'll click on company info. Alt, and you can see on your keyboard there is one F2, F3, F2, F12. So these are your function keys. So press F3 from function key. Now this is company info. We will see this form. Now this Tally is in right. User folder. In fact, there is a Tally ERP folder, and that there is data folder. So what I will create a folder in data folder. For that, press space. Now our mouse pointer is here. It's blinking here. It means cursor is here. So if I think on that will go away. What we have to do? Again, I'm doing the same task. Press escape, and company will create to create a company. Backspace on keyboard. Typing directly, will press END and the button on the end to take you at the end of the line. Then put slash to create a folder in a data folder. In this data folder, give a name. Let's give a name. This is my folder name. Enter. Now here I'll write company name. This is my name. Name. Generally, name is
wait.
Yeah.
When you were typing, it was a lot of noise, so avoid that if you can. Okay, you can store it somewhere. Are you doing it on a laptop or a computer?
No, it's on laptop.
Okay, it is too noisy.
Okay. It was when I was typing it. Achha, like that that was coming. Oh, got it.
Tab is not too much because it is one-off, but then when you're typing this international trader, it's very fast and very easily, here audible.
Got it.
And one more thing, there is a window on this right-hand side of yours where you're seeing the camera and all. Push it to the right-hand side corner, na? Yeah, just on the right-hand side corner. Drag it. Right. Perfect. This is perfect. Great.
Was it okay?
Yeah, this was perfectly fine in fact, and the flow was good. Once you're done with 5-10 minutes demo, I would just want explain little bit more about the levels of Tally, and I try to level them out into 3 levels: basic, intermediate, and advanced. Okay, and just tell the people that what is that you are going to cover in basic, what is that you are going to cover in intermediate, and what is that you are going to cover in advanced level.
Sure.
Okay, I'm just muting myself again, and then you can start.
Company is international trader, right? Let me write address. And now it's our address. We write now we want to write one is corresponding address, and one is permanent address. In that case, what you have to do, press enter. Here, where your print tally, click here, then be seen on the printout. So see to it that whatever you type, repeatedly should be once again. We'll press enter. Can you see this way? Now reading is not there. So you see that whatever the short and sweet, it is using up arrow. I will erase this. Then press enter. Again, try to erase entire line. Then press enter. So if you want to erase anything from this, just click selection. Black cursor is our selection. Okay? Let's read Mumbai. So what we'll just press space bar to delete it. Okay? Enter. Now, Tally is a software. It is not used only in India. It is global software. On the right side, you can see there are many countries where Tally has been used. Okay? India. After the select app state, let's take example as Maharashtra. Enter your PIN code. Enter your account number. Enter your mobile number. Or you have to mention. Details will get printed on your invoice.
Repeat the last sentence because I think there was a voice, some message over there.
Yeah, actually, okay. I'll do it again. Let me turn off my. Number, give type email address. Here, that will get printed on your invoice. Website. Dear students, all these contact details, email ID and websites are dummy, so kindly don't access it. Okay. So, financial year. Let me tell you, financial year starts from 1st April every year. Now, financial year here is 1st April 2017. Next, 31st March 2018. It will get end. So, every year it starts from 1st April, and by 31st March next year, it gets end. So, April 2017, this is the financial year beginning. And what beginning from? Beginning from means, let's assume started in 1st 2017. 1st April 2017. But book would be from 1st June. If which date you want to start your books recording, meaning your book account. I'm sorry. Financial year is 1st April 2017. The year starts from 1st April this year. the current year, and it ends next year, 31st March. Our financial year is 1st April 2017, and it will end on 31st March 2018. Next, books beginning. Books is the date from which date you want to start recording of your books of accounts. Let's say financial year is 1st April 2017 to 31st March 2018. But that's just in June. So I will start maintaining my account from June onwards. So in that case, books beginning would be for June 2017. Okay. Now, you can enter your company data, use password. There are passwords that you can give here. One is Tally and one is security control. Tally void password. In the NIMBY folder, you can't see your company's name. Name is International Traders. If they void password, I will be unable to see my company name. So how will I identify it? To me, there is code. Whenever we create a new folder, the first code that we get is 10,000. After something will be 10,001, third will be 10,002, and as so on it will go. So for the new folder in which this is our first company, so we will get code S10,000. So if this password, this company will be a code. Okay. So I'm writing here. Repeat again. We have to repeat our password. Use security control. Now we have given two passwords here. Use company name. Like enter email ID. We give username and password. Like email ID and password. The same way, when you security control, you have to give any name and password. In password, if you give this password, you can see your company name as well as the company code in the list of companies. Where in Tally password, if you give this Tally vault password, you can see your company name. You'll have to identify your name using company code only. Okay? Admin name. Again with password. Password. Render your data inaccessible. Now, this password, there are certain steps to resolve it, and that's there in the advanced level. So currently, I'll just explain till here. Use Tally Vault audit features. Yes, we can use Tally audit features. You must have heard about companies do audits. Yes, done through Tally. Yeah.
Nisha,
There.
I think this is fine. The last statement where you mentioned the chartered accountants and you mentioned about that demo part of it. Okay. Yeah. Now you take up to the next level where say that this is how we will be explaining you the Tally or teaching you the Tally. If you and what all we will now, I will explain you what all we will be covering in this entire course, 3 different levels, and then what all contents you will be covering up in basic, intermediate, and advanced level.
Okay. Do you want me to create a presentation and then explain it instead of saying orally? ग्राफ जाएगा तो और अच्छा रहेगा.
काम करो. And how do you want to do it? You want to do it again next time?
Yes, sir. मैं अभी आपने मुझे बताया I have to mention it in the presentation. I'll make that point of view only.
So then you create the presentation for your entire training purpose के perspective से, wherein you will show. So how we will do is we record these things in a 15 to 20 minutes theory part of it, where we will be talking on a presentation, benefits of it, of that particular component, explaining about that from a financial angle, accounting perspective. Then you explain another half an hour or 40 minutes for a complete recording, actual practical showing all those parameters. And this is how you should record your entire stuff. So that's where it will become total of 15 minutes plus 45 minutes as a 1 hour class.
1 hour. Okay. Got it. Let me prepare myself, my presentation and all. I'll keep ready. Jitna ka training that I have to conduct tomorrow. So I'll keep it by today. Before we start tomorrow, I'll keep it ready.
Yes. And one more thing, what you can do is, I think, let me just first of all stop the recording. Hold on.
Sure.